Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a bioinformatics assignment number 1. Through assignments, we will be learning some basic concepts. I have made this assignment. Our goal is of this assignment is to learn BLAST for sequence searching. BLAST is basic alignment search tool. Use sequence number 1 and 2 to answer the questions below. Question number 1 is, can you figure out name and organism of the protein? So the hint is we have to use the BLAST for this amino acid sequences. We have to find which proteins they belong to. So we search for, open a new tab. We search for BLAST. Since we have to find about the protein sequence, so we'll run protein BLAST. This is the area space where we have to paste our protein sequence. So it is group of amino acid sequence. I have been will be pasting it from here to here. Sequence number 1 is all the entries should be put on default, and we blast run the blast. It will take some time. Till then, I will open Uniprot database. That's it, uniprot.org. I will telling later why you have opened it. So we have got our results. We have got the many different results we have got. There are total 100 sequences which match similar to our protein sequence. Not exactly, but similar. As you can see, similarity is 100%, 100%, and 9.48%. It's decreasing as we go down. It's 85.12% at the below. So since we have its similarity is 100%, we choose the uppermost protein sequence. Its name is rhizopoietin precursor Homo sapiens. So we just open it and it a new tab, and we go to Uniprot and go to Blast. It is here. So here we want the FASTA sequence of it. We just copy the FASTA sequence from here to here and paste this. Paste this. I will telling why I'm doing this, because it will take time to run it. So yeah, it will take some time. So we have done it since we have find the this sequence. So many sequences are there. So we have find this protein. So we are searching that the sequence which aligned from our sequence is same. This protein is same or not in the other database. That is Uniprot database. It is present or not, and it will also give us the information about the organism from which that protein is present in. So till now it is running. Till then I will be doing blast for this sequence number 2. Protein blast. So for sequence number 2 I will copying and paste here. Yeah, it has been completed. Till again run blast. Yeah, it is completed. So as you can see, they have got 250 results. We have got their percentage of identity 100%. Different types of protein we get with different identity to our sequence. as you can see. So we go to the 100% part of this 100% entry. We click on the entry, yeah, and we got the data. It's the erythropoietin. Its gene name is EPO and organism is Homo sapiens human. So we note down this data, and firstly we note down this data. So we make a table. So we have to note down the sequence number and the property, that is the organism and the gene which is present. Sequence number 1, organism and the gene name. Yeah. Since we have two sequences, I'm adding the rows. This sequence number. I'm doing it slowly. If you feel like I'm doing it slowly, or if you feel like I'm doing it fast, you can fast forward or slow the video. Sequence number, organism, some, and the gene name. So sequence number 1, sequence number 2. We can also add one more column, the protein which we got. Insert column to the right. We paste it here and we write protein name. So our protein is erythroprotein. You just copy it, paste in a assignment document for sequence 1, and our gene is EPO. We will note it down. It is not that much to copy it. Since it is that other part is long, we are copying it EPO gene. So this I've done. Our next task is to go back, yeah, reload it, and we will go to this part. This sequence which we have got is erythropoietin isoform 1 precursor musculus. So we go to accession number. You go to FASTA part of it, FASTA sequence. We just copy it and paste it into the blast of Uniprot database. Paste it and run the blast. It will take some time. Let us see our assignment part. If it will take too much time, I will pause the video here and come back later. If it will take more time, you can see some of the entries here, like the query length. Our query length is 192 in this case, and the query covered in this case is most of the cases the query is covered in 100%, but some cases it is not covered 100%. It's still running. You can also see the alignments of our sequence here. with the alignment with the original sequence that we searched for, and this is the query sequence. Here also we can see the alignments part. Hmm. Just wait for a couple of seconds also. Yeah, we got it. So as you can see, we got 249 results with having different identities, out of which this having 100% same identity. So we will open this entry, and this is also erythropoietin, but the difference is it is from mouse. So we will just copy. We can copy it from there also. We just copy the organism name. So the last entry we just paste the organism name. Is also the EPO type gene, and the protein its name is erythropoietin only. So our assignment is complete. We have a basic idea now how to run a blast software and search for different sequences for the protein, for the amino acid sequences, to search a protein which they belong to. So thank you.